Ever wondered if the allure of working at Apple is matched by a rewarding paycheck? We're diving deep into Apple's compensation packages, revealing salary ranges across different positions and the impressive benefits that come with being an Apple employee. First up, let's talk about roles in Apple retail. Retail positions, like specialists who assist customers, generally start around $45,000 per year. Technical specialists, who handle troubleshooting and repairs, can see salaries ranging from $50,000 to $65,000 depending on experience and location. Experts, leading sales and product demonstrations, might earn between $60,000 and $80,000. Store leaders, of course, will be at the top of this range. Now, let's shift gears to Apple's corporate roles. Software engineers can expect a wide salary range, often starting around $120,000 and potentially exceeding $200,000 for senior positions, especially with stock options and bonuses. Marketing managers typically earn between $130,000 and $180,000. Hardware engineers see similar figures to software engineers, while project managers can fall in the $110,160,000 range. But it's not just about the base salary. Apple's benefits package is a major draw. Employees often receive comprehensive health insurance, generous paid time off, employee stock purchase plans, significant discounts on Apple products, and even access to wellness programs and on-site fitness centers. These are just general ranges, and actual compensation can vary greatly based on experience, location, and specific skills. So, if working at Apple sounds like the perfect fit for you, head over to their careers page to explore open positions and get a better understanding of the compensation offered for your desired role. Good luck.